So I bring this up because I don't know if here recently that the Rooney Rule doesn't apply anymore, but I'm sure damn well wondering why it hasn't been mentioned. And whenever you get done to it, and I don't care who you are, if you're ready to tell me that Kevin Stefanski is the one and your recipe to win a Super Bowl, you can kiss my butt with that because it ain't got nothing to do about him winning. It got more things to do about the fact of what he looks like compared to the fact of what some other coach looks like. And in 2026, this should not be still happening.